So, good evening, everyone. For tonight, I'm going to discuss the topic about portfolio. Okay, so maybe you are familiar with the word portfolio. Okay, so when you hear the word portfolio, what comes into your mind? Ano man ang portfolio, everyone? Okay, so I'll read the word or the definition of portfolio. So, everyone, portfolio is a purposeful collection of students' work and documented performance. So when we say documented performance, it's either video sa inyong presentation, video sa inyong dancing, parehaan na magpa-video recording ang or magpa-performance ang mga maestra, dayon i-video ra, ana. Dayon, it is a documented performance that tells the story of achievement or growth. And also, portfolio is a student's work that is collected. Depends on type and purpose of a portfolio you want to have. And it can also be a collection of products or recorded performance or photos of performances. So, muna to kung ganina, no? Documented performance is for example, kato kung gingon ganina nga magpa-performance task ang maestra or si teacher and then i-video lang ang inyong performance task. So that's an example of a portfolio. So why use of portfolio? Portfolio can show progress and it can also have a reflection. Naka-reflect sad ka. It helps students look back and think, what did I do well and what can I do better? Unsa pa ilang mas i-improve sa ilang kaugalingon para mas mutaas pa ang ilang achievement. And then what's inside the portfolio, everyone? It's not just a folder of everything, di ba? Di lang kay mura na folder niya isudit to imong papel nga imong gipangbuhat. Portfolio could be drafts and final version. Yes, to show the work process. And then the student picks pieces the students of most proud of. And then naa pa, teachers feedback. Appeal sa day sa portfolio ang teachers feedback. Ibutang dito ng teachers o unsay mga notes niya on what has learned or unsa pa imong dapat i-improve. Next sad sa portfolio, nasa na self-evaluation. The students' own thoughts on their performance, no? Kanang ilahang metacognition ba? Metacognition is like asa dapit na ka nga learning nya kanang asa dapit na imong learning unya dapat sad imuhang ma-reflect pa kung unsa pa dapat nimo improve sa imong kaugalingon. Okay, so next, there are types of portfolio. So unsa man ang type sa portfolio? Okay, so there are different types of portfolio. First one is the working or development portfolio. The second one is the showcase portfolio. And the third one is the assessment or evaluation portfolio. So let's try to familiarize this type of portfolio. The first one is the working portfolio. So working or development portfolio, it is the project in works or in the works containing works in progress as well as the finished samples of work. These also demonstrate an individual's development and growth over time. Developmental can be focused on academic or thinking skills, content knowledge, self-knowledge, or any area that is important for purpose. For this reason, it is also called development portfolio. Naka-indicate siya din it is the project in the work. So meaning, still working pa siya in the process. Ang content sa niya diha ang naa diha sa working portfolio is the drafts, apil na diha imong mga sayop, na dinha. Your initial attempts, kanang tahay mag-drawing ka, anya. First yung mga attempt, sayop na. So apil na diha na belong siya sa working portfolio. It is also allowed for immediate feedback and reflection. So makikita ka, ay sayop man ni, balhin ka dito sa pikas. Oh, sayop na sad, adto na sa pikas. Nya ni kakita nimo sa sayop, dili ko na sayop sa otrohon sa nimo. Ana. Okay, so gets ra ang working portfolio. So the next one is, or the second one rather, is the showcase portfolio. So what is the showcase portfolio? Showcase portfolio, also known as display or best work portfolio. So from the word itself, no, it is the display of the student's best work. Students exhibit their best work and interpret its meaning. So kung ang una nga type of portfolio is the working portfolio, ang nakabutang dito ang inside or ang content sa working portfolio is mga working in progress, the drafts, and the attempts. And si showcase portfolio is display na sa iyahang best work. Oo, nag-demonstrate na siya sa iyahang final or the highest level of achievement. So, unsa may content sa work or sa showcase portfolio? Muna ni siya ang selected samples of students' best work, often chosen by the students to exhibit mastery of curriculum objectives. So, nagets ra si showcase portfolio. So, if wala may question ni showcase portfolio, let's proceed to the third type of portfolio, which is the assessment or evaluation portfolio. Okay, so from the world itself, what do you think is this all about? So, the third type of portfolio is the assessment or evaluation. The main function of this portfolio is to document what a student has learned based on standards and competencies expected of students at each grade level. The standards and competencies of the curriculum then determine what students select for their portfolios. Kani si standards and competencies, makita ra gyud siya sa online na siya sa K-12 curriculum guide. Tani mo dito unsay dapat learning competency kana. In here, in this type of portfolio, their reflective comments will focus on the extent to which they believe the portfolio entries demonstrate their mastery of the standards and competencies. Like for example, if the standards or competency specifies persuasive, narrative, and descriptive writing, an assessment portfolio should include examples of each type of writing. So, di ba? Pasuwaton mo diha og type of writing. For example, pasuwaton ka persuasive, narrative, and descriptive writing. Makita na siya dito sa learning competencies nga dapat mo na imong buhaton. So dapat this assessment portfolio should include examples of each type of writing. Similarly, if the curriculum calls for a technical skills such as the use of PowerPoint in report presentation, then the display portfolio will include entries documenting the reporting process with the use of PowerPoint. So sama ani atong gibuhat karon na we are supposed to have a reporting face to face, and then murag kulang man ta sa oras mo nang nagpa-record ang atong reporting, but still mag-report gihapon ta face to face. So this type of performances nasulod ni siya sa assessment or evaluation portfolio. Okay, so that ends my discussion for tonight. If you have any question, you can ask me during our a face-to-face reporting. And thank you for listening.